here for English, yeah, teacher.
Oh, hello, everyone.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. How are you?
Hello, teacher.
Yeah, I'm
Happy
good.
New Year, teacher.
Happy New Year,
Hello,
guys.
teacher. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Hey. Mm,
How's Malaysia? I heard about the flood. Yeah, PS, we got here flood. I mean, we flooded here. It's not too far away from my house though. Malaysia, PS, yes. UK, we have Daniel. Oh, Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Hi, Jeff, Sasrika. Then we have Sawadika. We have, yeah. All right. So teacher, it's all for you, teacher.
okay, all right. Hello, guys. How are you? Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
can you see my screen clear?
Yes, very clear.
Very clear. Okay.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay. So, yeah. I think that I start now. Mm, okay. Here I marked the direction and the setup. Have you ever wondered from here to here, you can easily compound your equity or compound your capital to the bigger equity. Have you ever, have you ever evaluated that? Have you ever think of that also?
Those who background not too noisy, you could unmute and answer, yeah.
No, teacher, we never.
Yeah,
never.
you can see there's a lot. We have direction, we have entry here, we got entry, direction. All of these are with direction and entry. But yeah, I think you can easily just reach your desired amount in just within few days. So this is the power of sideways. Okay, the power of sideways. And before that, I'm going to tell you that the priority, our compounding, the priority pair is gold. And if there's no setup, for example, like I give you here, this is from 5th November until 11th of November. Can't you wait for the setup for 6 days? Can't you, what do you feel if you found no setup within 6 days? Of course you lose your patience, right?
Holiday.
You will lose your patience because your target, you want to compound as soon as possible, and you compound with a short period only. But then you can see here the price making momentum, and from here, okay, from 5th of November, there's no setup until 11th of November. So if we facing in this situation, if we facing this situation, I will move or I will switch to any other pair, but especially GBP to find setup to entry. Just in case if gold doesn't give us entry or gold making momentum or whatever. Okay, but you have to remember our priority pair is gold. Okay, and for the trader who asked me when is our compounding, what is the date? It is on, we will start on 5th of January 2022. And what else? Yeah, on 5th January. And it is 14 days of the market open. So it means that it's not include weekends. Okay, so it's 14 days of market open. Okay, and what else? And one more thing, we need sideways. We don't want momentum, something like this. If price make momentum and it's so hard for me to find setup, I will switch to any other pair. But I'm not going to include oil or Bitcoin. I will include currency such GBP pairs or maybe even New Zealand or something else, but not Bitcoin or oil. Okay? All right. So I hope you cleared any question. Okay. Hello?
Yeah,
Hi.
teacher, you may ask a question right now, right? Because a lot of this session, throughout the session, teacher will answer your question. So any doubts, anything, please throw it, yeah?
Yeah, and another one, I want to show you that, wait, another one I want to show you that if people ask me that what lot in this position, what lot, I just want to let you know that everything is divide by 600. If I, because my equity, my capital is 360, I'll divide by 600. Anything. Like if my equity is 1,000, I'll divide by 600. So you have to know that. Okay, it's up to you how much you want to put, but for me, everything is divided by 600, and once I reach 100,000, I will, I will just stop. Okay, I hope you clear.
Hello, teacher, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Teacher, what about a leverage? Will we have to divide by 600 only, whatever the leverage is, or it is specific to some kind of a leverage only?
You're going to use 500 leverage, right?
Oh yeah, teacher, correct, yeah, teacher. Because not all countries can use 500 leverage, teacher. So that's why it will be a different calculation, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, so like
Oh.
for like UK, if I'm not mistaken, UK the leverage they cap it like 100 or 200. Pina, your Turkey, what's your leverage, yeah, Pina?
Yeah, I can use up to 3,000.
Or you can able to use 3,000. Some in like Canada, Australia, or US, I think their leverage is not high, teacher. So you all can put in chat box what's your leverage, then I will probably share with you how to calculate the leverage.
Yeah, oh my God.
Yeah, so those who are here in from different countries, could you put me your leverage? So US, teacher, US is 50, Canada is 200.
India, we have 400, Terry.
How,
I have 400 leverage.
400 leverage. Okay. Anyone else? Could you Australia, what's your leverage? Kenya is 400.
Australia is 30, Terence, and also UK is also 30 also maximum.
Oh, okay. IC markets. Yeah, IC market. If you can use IC markets would be great. IC markets allow you to 500. Prosperity of 500. Okay. Some of you are able to use 500. Great. I'm more concerned about the like people from Canada, US, and UK and or Hot Forex is good. Hot Forex is Malaysia. We are quite okay, not too bad. Just that whatever the teacher is going to compound, teacher is going to use a leverage of 500. So the lot size will be calculated based on the leverage of 500 as well. So do you have any concern about that? You can ask your questions, you know.
I think Kevin is giving a good suggestion there.
Kevin, for leverage, we balance if leverage is 100, I think you just divide your balance by, okay. In UK, we can use stick mill and IC market that allow 500. Oh, okay, that's great, Ryan. Thank you so much for clarifying. So those people in UK, you can use stick mill or IC markets that allow you to 1 to 500. So it depends on the broker that you're going to use. Anyone else? From US, could you sign up tick mill or IC markets that allow you? Okay, great. Daniel, thank you. So in US, you can use prosperity markets and who goes way. Okay. IC say no. All right, good guys. So I think pretty much y'all can I just need you all to push the leverage to 500 so that when teacher compound, the lot size will be heavily based on the leverage of 500. So if you are otherwise, I'm afraid that you all be confused here. All right, teacher, back to you, teacher.
Okay. And yeah, I hope everything's fine, right? UK can use stick meal and IC market and all, right? There's no problem. I hope so. Okay, and you guys will be directed to the channel. It's called private channel. Everything I'm going to post there, the entry. I'm not going to post analysis. I'm going to post entries. So you have to be clear about that. Okay, and yeah, if I order you to not stop loss. If I order you to cut loss, you have to cut loss. Okay, I'm afraid maybe some of you are stubborn and all that and we blame you or something. So yeah, if because I don't have stop loss, you have to know that I'm using rare compounding. I'm just using cut loss. So yeah, because during my compound or during when after the price enter my position, get into my position, I will keep monitoring the price movement after that. Okay, so please, if I say cut loss, you guys have to cut loss also. All right, so
Sorry, teacher. There's a question in the chat box.
okay, wait,
Yeah, teacher, you can have a read, teacher.
wait, because the question is going up. How do you go about cutting loss? Just the entire position or slowly taking off side? I will cut loss entire position. Usually something like that. I will just cut loss entire position. I will look for any other entries. Okay. If we lost our margin during trading, would you mind starting again? If we lost, if we lost our margin during trading, would you mind starting again? I don't know. In my mindset, I always say that my compounding will be successful. I never expect that my compounding will be, we will lose. But just in case, if it happened, yes, we will see. Don't mention it. I always, my mindset already, I have said it, it's going to be successful. Okay. Are there any limit orders and how long do we have before we enter the trade? Okay, Timothy. Of course, there's a limit orders. Just same like this. This is my previous compounding. This is how I compound. I don't put price. Like you have to buy 805 something. No, yeah, something like this. Okay. I put my pending or maybe I just mark here and yeah, something like this. Okay, something like this. Then wait, yeah, something like this. I'll just put mark and you know, this is the entry point. We have QM and all that. And then yeah, something like this. So this is how I will, wait, I show you. Wait. Okay, I will show in the channel something like this. I will post something like this, exactly same like this. So when I mark here, you know that this is Q1. Okay, ano tadi? When I mark here, it means you know that this is SNRC2. Okay, I'm not going to mention price. I'll just mark something like this. Exactly what I do it here, I'm going to do it with here. Okay. All right. Any question? Do we have to stay on PC during all day? No, you don't have to stay on PC during all day. I'm the one who have to face with the market. You just like for example, I show you, okay, this is my buy limit and whatsoever. So you guys see, oh, okay, now we got it. This is QMC setup. Okay, price went up. Yeah, something like that. My style of trading, I'm not going to stay in front of the PC all day. No. Okay.
Teacher, will you inform us about your sleep cycle so that we can sleep at the same time? I mean, we are in front of the screen or not. If you send some setup while we are sleeping, that would be nice. So we should organize ourselves.
Well, which country you are from?
I'm from Turkey.
Turkey, I see. Okay, this is PNG, right?
Yes.
Okay, so mostly I find setup or my entry is during London Open. You have to know that. In my country, I seldom entry during entry on Asian session. I mean like during morning or afternoon. Mostly I can say that 90% everything is in during London Open. It means that around 4 to 5 p.m. Malaysia time. So don't be worried. I don't like I'm not going to disturb your sleep. I mean like in my time zone. Okay,
It's
during
not
London
important.
Open. Everything is in during London Open. What time in your country during London Open?
It is like noon, around noon. So it's
Oh,
perfect.
okay, that's cool.
Thank you, teacher.
Great. Okay. Any question, guys?
Hi, teacher. Are you trading in Dubai or in Malaysia?
Uh, I'm in Dubai, but you can see this is my Malaysia time because I like to disturb my sister. So I will when I found out my sister didn't text me, then I know that she's sleeping. Okay, so guys, any question? Actually, it's good. In Dubai, during London Open, it's on noon also. Yeah, it's a great thing.
Teacher, there's a question. How much time do we have to set our position?
How much time do we have to set our position? How much time? What does that mean?
Yeah, it's in the checkbox, so I need to clarify. What do you mean by how much time? Do you mean when teacher put PO? You mean the the interval period? That's what you meant? Payment? Payment. Yeah. Oh, so what he meant is that whenever you put a PO, what's the interval duration that we have before the price hit?
Layer ke?
Bukan layer. Maksudnya kalau teacher masuk PO, dia takut mungkin dia punya time difference tak nampak ke everything tak kena then dia mungkin miss. So dia nak tahu berapa lama lepas PO biasanya price akan masuk.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to, I give you example here. I am not going, for example, okay, let's, where's the eraser? Tak boleh ni.
Ini tak boleh ni
Jadi ada macam mana pemadam, wait.
ini tak boleh teacher sebab dia
Annotate.
Oh, annotate. Oh.
Annotate. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Wait. Why so small? Macam mana nak besarkan dia? Eraser.
Ya, teacher. Dia ada annotate, kena pilih size dia, teacher. Kasih besar, teacher.
Oh, annotate. Draw besar. Okay. Okay. If the price, wait lambat pula.
Apa, teacher?
Okay, if I'm not going to alert myself if the price move like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, just pretend you didn't see this red candle, okay? I'm not going to alert myself or alert you guys if the price move like this. Okay, and possibility the price will go another, or the price will fly, and then forget this entry. I will alert you guys, or I will alert you guys if the price come back and mostly closer or go near to our entry point, something like this. You understand what I mean, right? Okay, when the price you understand means that if the price doesn't come down or close until here, or maybe it's possible the price will keep fly, and I'm not going to tell you guys about this entry. But if the price comes back, so I want you guys to be alert. I will post in the channel, and I'm ready to take this entry. Okay? All right, yeah, something like that. I hope you understand my explanation. You understand? Hello?
Understand, teacher. Understand very clear.
Yes.
Will the PO time expire? Okay, my PO time. Okay, this is my PO. And it doesn't touch my pendings, and then it went up, and then yeah, after that I erase my PO. Or if the price went too far, I also will delete my PO. I will mention in the channel, in our compounding channel. Okay, don't worry.
Hello.
Hello.
Teacher, I have a question. Normally, you said that you don't keep any SL like stop loss in your entry, but just out of a curiosity, I want to know what will be the average cut loss pips, like if suppose we are taking entry and price is not going in our favor, then what will be the average cut loss size, like with how many pips will close our position?
Okay. Don't worry, I will show you also. I also wait, where's the not this one, not this one. Okay. This is my entry in the SNRC one. Have you watched my compounding journal in YouTube?
Yes, teacher.
This position on my main account, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is actually this is a SNRC2, but it doesn't went well, and I found that it's my mistake. So in my compounding, I can know that the price going to not to respect this this setup. So
Okay.
when I know that the price not going to respect this setup, I will just close my position when I'm in profit, or in my main account, as you can see that I cut loss after it breaks my it close candle and breaks my entry point here.
Okay.
I forgot how much. It means
So
that I
whenever
still monitor.
okay. Okay, so whenever
Yeah.
it goes beyond this our marked supply or demand zone, we will need to close that. That will be our that kind of a random kind of a take loss area.
I never count it. I count how the price closed the candle.
Okay, ma'am.
I
Okay.
never count the pit. Yeah.
Yes. Got you, madam. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Teacher, I have a question. Just now you said that you can tell if the price will not respect that our entry. How exactly how to do that, teacher?
Okay, this is in the, you mean this, wait, you mean this entry?
Yeah, yes,
You mean this one?
that entry. Yes.
I found out that this setup came from the major setup. This setup, I forgot. This setup, I found that it came from the H4 or maybe daily major setup. So I found out that it's not good. I started to getting scared to hold my position in my compounding account. So actually, we also have to count where the price came from. This is the one. Okay, you can see if because this here I didn't show where the price came from. You can check. It's in 2nd March, 2nd or 3rd March. Okay, this came from the major supply zone and their setup also there. Okay.
Okay, teacher. Do you also consider the candle form, like the momentum or something like that?
I don't like momentum if I want to compound. Yeah, like
okay.
this one, I don't like this kind of momentum. You know, I cannot find a proper setup
Oh,
with
no, no.
this candle.
What I mean is when price coming to our entry zone in momentum, is that also a
Oh,
sign that?
yeah, that's delicious. If they take our position and then it make momentum or it came up so fast, then it's delicious. But if something like this, like I show you here, I do not recommend any entry here because we really need sideways for our compounding. Okay, like this one.
Okay. Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, so my question is, will you send like price levels or will you send like charts and we have to set the levels ourselves?
I don't send price level. I will send exactly like this.
Exact.
Like,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. Okay. So you know by yourself this is QM. Maybe
Okay.
I will send also my pending order, something like that. I'm not going to send analysis. Oh, the price is going down. Maybe the price. No, no, no. I'm not going to sell. I'm going to sell my entry. Where is my mark? That is my entry.
Okay.
Okay.
So you won't send like buy limit two lot at 1721 like this.
Yeah, something like this. Exactly same like
Okay.
this.
Okay. Oh, like this. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any question, guys? Wait, I'm reading the chat box. Teacher, will you send us your TP? Of course. I will send you your my TP. I do not look at the news. No, I don't. I don't like news. Teacher, are you tell us where area or zone if the price closed so we cut loss? No, I will say that cut loss now. So you have to cut loss now because I am the one who monitoring. So yeah, you have to build it. You have to put the notification, you know? It's just 14 days, guys. Okay, always build it. Are you
Hello,
going
Anak.
to tell us whether it's buy or sell? Are you going to tell us whether it's a buy or sell? My dear, if I mark like this, it means buy. Okay, if I send you this, it means we're going to buy. We're not going to sell. Okay, if I send you like this, it means I'm going to sell, not going to buy, please. Okay?
Hello, Kak Nora. Salam to you.
Hi.
I would like
Hello.
to pose you a question. I understand that you'll be starting with 360 USD.
Okay.
What if due to unforeseen circumstances, I'm not able to, let's say, follow you in the first 3 trades? So what is the advice would you give to me? Let's say the equity that I should deposit in if I know that I won't be able to follow up with you for the first 3 trades.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, it means that you cannot follow me on the first trade, for example. I won't be able for that, right?
Yes, that's true.
I don't know because um how to say, you won't be able to
Yeah, so
follow.
so basically like for your first 3 trade, let's say you know on the 5th of January you have 1 trade, then after that only I can follow you. I mean I can join you on the Friday, hari Jumaat. So is that, do you know like equity, like you start from 360, so I'm not so sure by Friday how much it will be. So is it safe for you to tell me that maybe you should increase your equity to about 4,000 USD at that time?
Oh,
Yes.
You mean you want to add on your equity because you cannot follow me on the first trade?
Yes, because I have
No,
difficulty.
don't do that, dear. Why you do that?
Oh, okay. I shouldn't do that to like catch up with you.
No, I don't know. It's up to you, but I do not recommend. Please put your notification. You have to know that I active on the London during London Open. Please, I during London Open. Seriously, just for 14 days, I'm going to do this. Please,
Uh, teacher,
don't troublesome me like that.
teacher, can I answer as well, teacher?
Yeah, sure.
All right. So Farid, my suggestion is like, so instead of you trying to cash up, what's the equity that you have missed or whatever setup that you have missed the previous 3 days, my suggestion, you just start with 360. Then from there onwards, you just follow whatever setup that teacher posted, and you calculate the equity based on whatever equity that you have, divide by 600. So like, oh yeah, Kevin, you're right. Kevin, just start following the 4 day, use the balance, whatever balance that you have, you cover, divide by 600. So the formula is whatever equity that you have, but it must be a leverage of 500, you must always divide by 600. So that's what teacher Nora is going to do. So if you miss the trade, okay, you know what, I miss it, never mind, I'll wait for next one. Then I did whatever equity that I have, I just divide by 600. So the chances are of you reaching 100,000, teacher might reach 100,000, but you have yet to reach 100,000. That will be the variance. But teacher will not suggest you to pump in your own equity. Do you get it, Farid?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Thanks for the explanation.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, Terry. Yeah. So after every trade, do we need to calculate the lot size, dividing equity by 600?
Yeah, that's right. It's an indication, because sometimes when teacher posted like buy limit at 20 lot, oh, okay, then you'll know roughly that teacher have actually reached the equity how much. So there will be a slight difference due to the spread, due to the position. Yeah, so there will be a slight difference. So we can't be exactly, probably teacher that now at 12,000, maybe we are like 10,000 only. So there will be a slight difference. All right.
Okay, got you, Terry.
Okay,
Thank
welcome.
you. Thank you.
Back to teacher. Yeah.
Okay, guys, any question?
Yeah, hello, teacher.
Hello.
So your style of trading is basically more like a scalper. Is that correct?
No, I more to not really, not only scalp. It's a scalp and intraday. I like to do intraday, but I seldom do swing. Yeah, so in the compounding, we we scalp. But please don't be scared. I'm not going to use M1. Okay, I'm not going to use M1. Maybe maybe M5 or yeah, but mostly M15 and above. Yeah, but I don't do scalp. I mean like crazy ass scalp, something like M1. Okay. Yeah, like this one. This one. This one is intraday. Okay. And we reach our desired equity and then we close. Yeah, something like that. I don't. If you see here, I don't really scalp here. I scalp on my first. Wait. Yeah, this one is in M5. I scalp on my first trade in compounding. Yeah, this one only. Okay. Don't worry, I seldom scalp, mostly intraday. Okay. So guys, any question?
Teacher, how is your first compounding project? Like, what is your biggest challenge? Can you share with us?
Okay, you mean during my first time on compounding?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, my first time compounding was with my mentor. He the one who taught me about psychology, about emotions and all that. And my experience, when I reached $10,000, I begged him. I told him, please let me withdraw $5,000 and another 5,000 I'm going to compound. But unfortunately, that time he didn't allow me. He said that if you withdraw $5,000, I'm not going to talk to you anymore. So yeah, that's the biggest challenge. The more money you get, the more um, the more fear you will face. Like not kind of fear that you're going. I mean like the fear that you're going because you will protect your equity. You will you will over protect with your equity and you're afraid that you're going to lose this $10,000. So um, even if you notice, most traders when they reach, actually they plan they're going to trade until 100,000, but when they start to reach 10,000 or 20,000, they start to smallen their lot because they afraid they're going to lose this money. And some of them, when they reach 10,000, they will get greedy, and after that, they lost all this 10,000. If you heard that, some traders experience that. So, this is the biggest challenge. The more money you get, the more fear you will face. And then after that, you will just withdraw your money and protect your money, and you will say, oh, I'm going to compound in any other day after that. Okay, so uh, it's my biggest challenge and my biggest, like my experience. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Welcome. And some traders, they ask me that, teacher, if I reach 5,000 or 10,000, can I withdraw 1,000 just to protect my capital? Um, and then I said, it's up to you, actually. It's up to you, but just don't blame me if you didn't reach 100,000 when I stop. Okay? All right. Any other questions?
Hi, teacher. I'm just
Hi.
asking, why 14 days?
Why 14 days? Because my mentor can do it within 4 days only, from 1,000 to 100,000. So 14 days is too long to reach 100,000 from 360. So Yeah, I think 14 days is enough. And why? What do you think? You mean 14 days is too short or it's too long for you?
I'm not sure. That's why I'm just asking. I'm just curious.
Oh, teacher, I think no one experienced 100,000 in 14 days. That's why they're all very curious.
I see. Yeah.
Teacher. Yeah, I think
Actually, my previous compounding, I expect I'm going to reach my desired equity within 14 days. But I was fortunate that time. I reached only 8 days. So yeah, maybe you will reach earlier than 14 days, or maybe you will reach exactly 14 days. I don't know. I don't know how the market goes in next January. So see how it goes then.
yeah, teacher will trade what she see on the chart. She's not a fortune teller, yeah. So she definitely not a fortune teller. So whatever the chart gives her, then she will chart. If example the first she says starts on 5th of January. Suddenly 5th of January is a momentum day, so there's no setup. So we have to wait. We have to wait until there's a position, or setups. Otherwise she don't trade at all. So please bear that in mind. She's not a fortune teller. Don't blame her when you lost the 360 USD. So please manage your expectation. Please do manage your expectation, yeah.
Hi, teacher, can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know that the price going to be sideways after a momentum?
How do I know the price going to sideways? When the price when suddenly I found out that the price the price is too generous making setups, then I know that this price is making sideways, just like this. The price making sideways. Can't you see that? Okay, and then in the lower time frame, this is H4. In the lower time frame, price make setup direction. They are too generous. So this one, I know that price is making sideways. Yeah, we really need this kind of movement. I hate this, something like this or something like this. I hate momentum. It really disturbed my compounding. Yeah.
Oh,
So
so on top of teacher's answer, just to share with all of you, teacher have done 35,000 back tests. So I think through her experience and 35,000 back tests, she's able to detect the momentum. So this is a good question, because how do we detect all the things? Other than that, it's all full of back tests. 35,000 till now, I have yet to reach 10,000 as well. So I'm teacher, I'm amazing. So back to you, teacher.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have any questions?
Teacher, there's one question keep coming, that they are asking, but some of the member already asked. They asked, do you open multiple positions?
Yeah, so one.
Yeah.
When multiple positions for one pair, or you're going to do multiple pairs?
No, I meant, hi teacher. My question was, when you trade, and let's say, for example, the lot size you want to trade is, on this scenario, 2 lots. Would you divide that 2 lot trade into 0.5 times 4, or would you just take it as just one 2 lot trade on gold, for example? That's the question.
You mean the multiple layers, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I do.
That's
I
my
take
question.
multiple layers in the same position, or in the same price, or in the same price I mark here. Like, for example, here.
Okay, so if your lot size is initially 20 lots, you divide it by how many roughly? Like, is it a certain amount or whatever you're feeling?
I will put 10, something like that.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
And the maximum lot size per position, is it 10 lots for you, or?
If I have how much equity?
Okay, all right.
Everything is divided by 600. Yeah, or until 20.
Good question, teacher.
Yeah.
Suppose we take two trades. and then
Two trades.
one of them reaches say immediate high, and you exit one position and you leave one pending. Should price pull back to almost near the original entry point, would you advise we take another trade going up again, or we just let the other one run by itself until
Okay, you mean like this? Wait, wait. You mean like this one? The price already touched, but then I expect that the price going to touch again, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm not going to instant sell here. I will wait until it reaches here again. And yeah.
What I mean is this: where you've marked blue, it has come there and we have taken the trade. Then it
Yes.
ran all
We take the trade where I marked, not like maybe some of you will feel like you're going to miss this entry, and it's up to you. You can sell or what, but for me, I play safe. I have marked here. I will wait the price. I'm going to reach here again, and yeah, sell.
In fact, this is a good example. The way you, the price has gone on the right hand side.
Yeah.
It has gone down on a sell up to where it has reached. Down there.
Yeah, I will wait until the price reach here again.
So say you took two trades, 5 lot and 5 lot. Then it ran down up to where it has reached. Down here. Go down here.
Oh, so you mean that I'm going to close if it reach down here, or I'm going to close one position only?
Suppose we closed one, then it went back.
No. I will close both.
No problem.
I will close both. For example, I put 5.5. I will close all these 5.5.
Thank you.
Then I will look for any other entry then.
Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So every time take profit level will be given by you, madam?
Yes, I will. It will be given by me, and even cut loss I will order to you. Please cut loss.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. There's any questions? Wait, I think that I read the chat box. I'm gonna open chat box. Okay. Do you specify the higher and lower price limit of the entry zone? Oh, you mean like, okay, we're going to sell 1801 until 1806. Is that? No, I'm not going to mention that kind of. No. Wait, I will show you. I will send you exactly something like this. If I mark like this, you know where the price, it's just only 1720, 1721. I'm not going to make it wider, and then I'm going to say, let's sell from 1720 until 1717. No. This is crazy. No. Where I mark, this is my position. Okay, wait. Where I mark, this is my position. I'm not going to say, from 1701 until 1705, something like that. Okay, I'm going to show you the precise entry. That's the power of entry point. Okay. Okay, guys, any question?
Teacher, on your compounding journal, I noticed that you reached around 9,000, 9,000 in just 3 days, first March to third March, and then you trade on 10th of March. So is there a reason why you don't trade from 1st of March to 9?
From where? This one, because I was busy. I forgot during March. What did I do? I was busy, and then I continue back. So it means that I shut down. I forgot this time. seriously. I hold for a while. I do some errands and then I go back and finish my 100,000. But they are in March. They're all in during March. This one I forgot, but I got errand. I got something to do that time.
Okay, teacher, is it
Yeah.
possible for you to share your another compounding journal to us?
Yes, of course. I thought that you guys got my compounding PDF.
No,
You
teacher.
didn't get?
I think teacher, not everyone has this compounding there. So teacher, you just
Oh.
you can may post in the group, then they probably can have it. Yeah.
Okay, I will send in the group.
Yeah. All right. Sure.
Okay. I'll share this also.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay. Sure.
So teacher, just so I mean, some of them like Timothy, are curious that divide by 300, divide by 600, you use for gold and it uses for GBP as well, right?
Yeah, if there's no setup in gold and if the price make momentum, I will go to any other currency. But don't worry, I'm not going to Bitcoin or any crypto or oil, something else. Just especially GBP, I will go there. Then I'll look. If there's no, then I'll just keep quiet. Okay. Do you guys any question?
What's the advice, teacher, when the leverage of 400? Okay, doctor, I will find a Ho. Ho, are you there? Ho Chia Sing?
Yeah, I'm here.
Could you send the link, the one on the leverage calculation just now that you sent just now earlier, please?
For the
Okay, thank you.
calculation.
Yeah, this one.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is the link for you to calculation for pips, based on the leverage. So yeah, you can do your calculation from there. Okay, teacher, there's another question. Do you move your break even?
Do I move my break even? During my compounding, I didn't move my break even, but I think with you, I will move my break even. I will let you know. I will show you my break even. Yeah, because I was so confident that the price will go until a certain area, so that's why I didn't move my break even. But yeah, with you, I'm going to show you where I move my break even. Okay.
Hi, teacher. I have one more question.
Yeah.
You see your entry points, you mark it as zones rather than a specific price, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so from that zone, do we decide on which price to enter at? Because I'm not sure how big the zone is, your zone, the blue you highlight. How many pips does it range from or between?
Okay. I'm not going to mark too big. Like
Okay.
wait, why I cannot see mine? No, I'm not going to wait. No, I'm not going to make it too big, too wide. Just maybe I can say that only 10 pips.
Okay,
Only
perfect.
10 pips. Don't worry.
Thank you.
Because this is
Thank
the
you very
only
much.
point we have. Yeah.
Okay,
Don't
thanks.
worry. You're welcome. Okay, guys, any question? I look at the...
Yeah, last 5 minutes, guys, before we end the session. Just now we started
Teacher.
at, yeah.
Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Can you please scroll up a little bit on your PDF?
Okay, sure.
Not too fast, please.
Okay.
Go down, please.
Down.
That one, Can you put that one too? That orders limit?
Okay. Well, you mean 1, 2?
Yeah, the buy limit at that price 1720.
120.
Yeah, I mean this one,
Oh, you mean 120, 120, something like that?
You mean like this?
Yeah.
You mean like this,
Yeah.
this part?
Yes.
Okay, what about it?
He wants that to screenshot and send to the group, so people really just follow the price like that. That's what he was saying.
Yeah.
Oh,
Also with the chart too,
okay.
if it is possible.
All right. So, okay, this is a lot of requests. So you're not the first one. Okay, just for the group benefit, the purpose of, during the compounding period for the 14 days, what we could do is that we could support teacher to minimize her distraction. So she will mark the zone. She will put in the PO. It's our duty to understand that, okay, this is the zone we identified, we look at. So chances are when there's a buy limit, when you use an MT4, there will be a price reflection. That's where you identify. But if you ask a request like, hey, you know what? She will put in the chart. She will put in the chart there at the price there, the figure there. That will be good enough, because for her to do all these things, this is called miscellaneous. This is a call of, there's a lot of work to work on, tedious work to work on. So the 14 days time, the best is to minimize the distraction. And I hope all of you here get it, yeah?
Yes, Terry. And one more question, Terry. There will be a multiple entries or only one entry?
Okay, this question been answered earlier. It will be multiple entries. There will be probably at least 2 or 3. It's simply because teacher will have one position as they call it the compulsory TP. Another 2 or another extra 1 or 2 entries is to let it flow with the market.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay.
Okay, Terry. Thank you.
And any more last? We're going to take last 3 questions before we end the session. So any last 3 questions?
Teacher, I want to ask, among, let's say if there's
so I have a
3
question. If we take, for example, multiple trades, are we going to close them at the same time, or we're going to close
Jama, wait first, Jama. Someone asked you.
We'll let it when.
Jama, hold your question.
I cannot because so many voices out there. Can you please?
Yeah, Jama. Yeah, hold on first. Earlier, there's someone asked the question. So who asked the question earlier just now?
Okay, Terry, I would like to ask the teacher, let's say if we put 2 layers or 3 layers in the zone of 10 pips, what is the spread between 1 layer and 2 layers or 3 layers? Is it a 2 pip, 3 pips, or any suggestions?
2 pips, 3 pips. How?
Okay, teacher usually open 3 position at the same price.
Yes, same price like this one. Some traders I saw they put here, something like that. No, I don't. I just put that. Actually, it's up to you. Within this, the blue aqua, whether you want to put here or here, whatever. But for me, I prefer here. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, understand. Thank you,
It's
teacher.
up to you, actually. Okay, you're welcome.
What is the spread for teacher's account? Wow. Okay, Namai, teacher. I think this is a few people already asked. What is the spread that account? I think our snapshot, because teacher uses Tickmill ECN account. So it will be almost the same. So I could snapshot and post in the group, Pina. All right. Okay, last 2 questions.
Hi, Terry.
You ask teacher, What you want to ask teacher?
Yeah. Yes. Multiple entries will be guided by teacher, or we'll have to decide by ourselves?
By me.
Okay, teacher.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, last two questions. So that everyone can end the day with a good new year. Last 2 questions. Is there going to be a new group for signal entry? Yes, Ray. There will be a group for that. And I will mute, when the teachers start compounding, I will mute the group for 14 days as well. All right. Okay.
That is the best thing, Terry. I really appreciate. That one is a good one.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of noise if it is not muted.
Correct. There'll be a lot of noise, true. Okay, last 2 questions. Come on, any more questions?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Ma'am, so my question is, just to know in average how many trades will we reach the compounding the final amount. I know this is like we can't say because it's according to the market, but just in average, in how many trades will we reach?
I never, my experience, I never count how many trades. I will just focus on my entry, and once it reach my desired equity, I will just stop. But I never count because we don't know. Maybe
Yeah.
this setup giving us scalp version, and maybe this setup going to give us intraday. I mean, like reach 100 pips, or maybe this entry going to reach only 20 pips. I don't know.
Yes, yes.
So I
Okay,
never,
okay.
I never count that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we don't know. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank
Yeah.
you.
Any question, guys?
Hi, Kakura. I have a question, but it's not about the compounding. I just want to inquire, will you be conducting any like face-to-face session again, like what you did in Kuala Lumpur this year? Will there be any future kind of face-to-face session again?
No.
Oh,
No.
there's no. Okay, unfortunately.
No. Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. Any question?
Last of the last question.
One of the last questions.
Teacher, I'm curious. I'm curious. Do you approach differently trading on your compounding project versus trading on your normal account? Is there any different
No.
approach?
No. When you millions, I mean, like the equity is different, and you cannot divide by 600. The broker not going to allow you to divide by 600. So I'm in my main account. I just grow as usual, but not rare compounding. People ask me. People ask me that. Yeah, this is another question. People ask me that did I deposit my account, for example, 1 million to the broker? I say no. I never deposit my account $1 million. I deposit my account $50,000, and I compound it until millions. So that's I compound also, but in the relaxing way, but not like this one. Because the more equity you get, the more the less how to say the less you will get, because brokers, they are smart. They're not going to get you richer than them. So it's different. You understand what I mean? I don't know how to explain to you, but yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh, okay. What teacher trying to reach out to you is that the broker will control your leverage.
Yeah.
If you start compounding that, example, now you already have 100,000. Let's say 100,000 right now. If you divide by 600, that's like 167 lot. When you open a 167 lot, divide by 280 over lot, the broker will be shocked. Oh, who's this person? So that will be the broker is not smart. I mean, the broker is smart enough to control your leverage from there. So based on the I spoke to teacher and her experience.
Okay, thank you, teacher. Thank you, Terry.
Any plan to extend the compounding program after being successful? Yes, the plan is to trade yourself. Is it possible that the broker refuses from withdrawing the money according to your experience? At the moment, her teacher's experience is no. So far, she's able to withdraw accordingly. Okay, now I will answer those questions that I will answer, teacher. Broker will limit your leverage to 100 if you have big equity like IC market. You are right, Kelvin. You are right. Okay, Abang Hisan, jangan kacau saya ya. All right. Okay, last of the last question before we end for the day for New Year. Yeah, it's already 10:45 p.m. in Malaysia. It's on 1 hour and 50 minutes more to New Year. Anything else? No more
Teacher,
question.
what is your biggest lot, teacher?
What's the teacher's biggest lot? Okay, I will answer on teacher's behalf. Okay, teacher, do you allow me to answer?
Okay.
I thought you want to answer your
Apa lah you answer lah Terry.
All right, teacher biggest lot is 100 lot times 5, right, teacher? Or more? I thought you told me teacher salah. Okay, so what's the biggest? Now you tell me I don't know, teacher.
I accidentally revealed my my entries during my compounding where I show my main account. I put 50 lot, but actually I times by 4 after I found QMC like this one. Wait, this is my last entries. If you see my account here, I think I can zoom here. Yeah. This one actually, this is my 50 lot, but actually I put layer on it. I don't want to, I don't like to tell what is my biggest lot, but and I also don't want to show what is my biggest lot. And if people ask me, is it an account cent? I'll just say, yeah. I prefer not to answer, but you already see, and I say yes. My biggest lot is what Terry said is 100 times 5. So yeah, that's my biggest lot.
There's more things, yeah. I mean, yeah, you all need to treat me more. I don't mind y'all sponsoring my account. I will tell more story. I can tell a lot of teachers secret if you all sponsor me 2 account or 360. I don't mind. All right, I'm just kidding. Okay. Before we end for the session, do you have any final say, teacher?
Yes, teacher. Happy New Year.
Thank you, teacher.
No, wait.
Happy New Year.
We haven't end yet. I'm waiting for teacher final say. Do you have any final say, teacher?
Actually I kind of shocked when some of you say that if we lost this compounding, if we fail this compounding, please get rid this mindset, guys. I never, I really confident about this. We're going to be succeed. So please get rid of this mentality. Don't say if we fail, if we lost, if and that and everything. So yeah, we're going to succeed. Okay, don't worry. And
Teacher, who the person want to lock you from doing the compounding?
Sorry?
The person that you said just now, the person want to refrain you from doing compounding. Lock.
Who want to lock me during compounding?
Yeah.
Oh, no, actually it's my sister. She worried because I went there, I went here, and yeah, she said hey, you should be focused on this thing because you know that actually I'm get used to it. So she just said that this this will be my first compounding with 200 plus traders. So I need to be more focused. But she really afraid because she doesn't see I'm serious into it. I don't know how to say, but that's why she feel like she want to lock me in the room. Don't worry, actually it's not someone else. Actually it's my sister. So no worries.
All right. So I think anything else, teacher? No more anything else?
No. I just please guys just don't think that we're going to lose or what. We can face the failure, but don't put high hopes and don't think that I am too perfect in this. I made mistakes, but I will try my best. And actually, I get used to it, and I get used to it, and it's not a big deal for me. It's just that this is my first time doing compounding with you, because usually I compound with my mentor or I compound by myself. And um, this year in March, I compound with Najmi. So this will be a very massive experience. I compound with 200 of my students. So yeah, I really hope that we're going to succeed, and I pray for you guys. Everything will be smooth, nothing distract you, and uh, yeah, don't don't worry. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much,
If
teacher.
I'm confident about this, just don't. I know some of you guys text me, ask me, and really worried. Why do you have to scared? It's just compounding. I pray, I pray for you also. Why tell you gala?
All right. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Please allow teacher to rest. And I wish Terry, on behalf of teacher, wish all of you Happy New Year. And I see all of you on 5th of January. So me and teacher, we will set up some channel for all of you to enroll into it. So I'll see you guys soon in the channel. So you may leave the group now, please, so that I can have a conversation with your teacher for a while before I end this whole
Happy
session.
New Year.